Hi everyone, and welcome back to Unboxing with Val. My name is Val and I make unboxing videos here on YouTube. So this video for today is one of my favorites, and I believe it is one of my subscribers' favorites too. It is, drumroll please, Mindful Souls. So Mindful Souls is one of my favorite subscription boxes. I will leave Mindful Souls' website down below, and if any of you are interested in Mindful Souls, go ahead and click that link. I believe you can also save $10 off of a subscription box, and I think that would be a fun box for all of you to try. So if you're interested in Mindful Souls subscription, go ahead and click the link down below for $10 off. Let's get into the video. Okay, so always, as we open our box, it says, and just like that, you've opened a whole new world of possibilities. The first thing that we get in our box is the information booklet. Little information, oh, it's more of a pamphlet kind of thing. We also always get a sticker, and we got something cool this month. Okay, so the sticker for this month says, "Think positive and positive things will happen." That's a nice sticker to put on something. I think I might have to put that on my laptop. Okay, so the second thing that we get other than a sticker is an affirmation. So every month we get an affirmation, and I believe it's like a 4x6 affirmation, and something that I really want to do eventually. I just haven't done it. I want to get a whole bunch of picture frames and put this affirmation, or all of my affirmations, in the picture frames and just hanging them up on my wall. So my affirmation for this month is the affirmation for self-love. And it just says, "Loving myself unconditionally brings healing and an abundance of love into my life." I needed that. I feel that every affirmation that they send is kind of what you need. It's like they know how you're feeling that month, because mine have so far been spot on. I don't know if everyone gets different affirmation cards per month, or if my affirmation matched someone's from the same box that I got. I don't know. I don't know if that makes... I have questions too. Anyways, okay, the next product that we get, or item, I like calling them items because products make me think of skincare products. The next item that we get, it looks like a canvas bag or some sort of bag, but it looks like it has a Buddha. And I think, oh, is it another pillowcase? So, they've sent a pillowcase before. It was, I forgot what pillowcase it was, but it kind of reminded me of the ocean. And this one might also be a pillowcase, which, if it is, I don't have any pillows big enough for these pillowcases. It is a pillowcase, and it is a Buddha. So this is the pillowcase. It reminds me of sunlight. It reminds me of morning. So the pillowcase that they sent me before, it kind of reminded me of the ocean, but this one reminds me of just energy of the morning time, and I think this would be a really good pillowcase to keep on my bed and wake up to in the morning. So I might have to get a pillow that's this size just so I can put it on my bed. But this is a pillowcase. It's of a Buddha. It's got all these oranges and yellows and purple outlines. It's really pretty. And that is the pillowcase. Next items that we get. Okay, so this one feels like a bracelet. I feel that every box so far has come with a bracelet. And this one's pretty. It is purple, and it's got white stones, and it's, oh, this is really pretty. So I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but it's got this one middle stone, and it kind of reminds me of someone meditating. I'm going to have to put this on. This would be perfect to wear. It looks like someone meditating in the middle of a lotus flower. I don't know if you can see that at all, but it does look like someone meditating in the middle of the lotus flower, and it's on both sides. It's printed on both sides, And I feel that these are white lava stones, but I'm not 100% certain. Let's go ahead and put that on. That's really pretty. Okay, the next item that we get another necklace. So we also get necklaces, a lot of necklaces in these boxes. This is also really pretty. So this necklace, I'll put it on. Okay, so I'll be honest with you. This chain isn't my favorite chain, but this is the necklace. It's kind of got this green, oh, I think there's leaves inside of here. So it looks like there's leaves inside of here. And then this maybe kind of reminds me of water. And then it's got these two crescent moons on the side. So we'll go ahead and read about that. The chain is still a little tangled on one side, but it's not as bad. Now let's open the next item. Okay, this is heavy. This feels like a palm stone. Ooh, this is so pretty. Okay, this is, I believe, a palm stone. I don't know what palm stone it is though, but it's got yellow and brown and white. We'll have to read about that in a few minutes. And we've got a black gift bag. Ooh. So it's another necklace. This is more of a rock kind of crystal, not as soft, not a smooth crystal. It's got blue, browns, and whites in it. Oh, more sage. And they do send sage quite often. So this is some more sage. Okay, so we should have 7 products, maybe 5 products. We have this necklace. We have this stone. We have this bracelet. We have sage. We have this necklace. And we have our pillowcase. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and turn you around to my wall so we can go through the information card. Okay, so for those of you who are new to my channel, I typically turn my camera around when I'm showing my products or items of different subscription boxes. So we're going to go ahead and do that with this. The first item that we see here is the Apatite Necklace. And here is the Apatite Necklace. It says, the beautiful apatite stone holds many benefits, of which the key ability is to promote motivation. When you want to succeed in your plans or achieve goals you set out for yourself, reach for apatite. It can also help overcome problems that prevent you from succeeding, as well as eliminate mental blocks in your spiritual journey, which I love. I do have lots of mental blocks, and I could use something to overcome that. The next item is the Septarian palm stone. So I was right, this is a palm stone. So here's the back of it, here's the front of it, and here's just around it. It's actually really cool. It's like a really cool stone. So it says, if self-esteem is something that you want to improve, then Septarian stone is what you need. Known for its grounding abilities, Septarian helps you accept yourself the way you are. Just like the cracks in the pattern make Septarian beautiful, the challenges you've faced in your life make you who you are today. The next item is the Moss Agate moon necklace. So here's the necklace again. It does look like a moon, and it does have plants in it, like I said. Here it is. So, what it says about this, representing the full moon cycle, the Moss Agate moon necklace is a perfect everyday talisman, symbolizing female empowerment, new beginnings, and enlightenment. The moon has the power to illuminate your dark side, while Moss Agate nurtures your emotions, at the same time balancing out female and masculine energies. The next item is the purple Emperor Stone bracelet. So it says, Emperor Stone is the perfect companion in moments of isolation, aiding in self-reflection and inner peace. It helps you connect with your thoughts and allows you to process difficulties with ease. So use it as a way to fight the inner saboteur. The next item is the Buddha Pillowcase. Now that's a big one, so I'm not going to show you that. I already showed you earlier. It says, you can add a warm touch to your room with the Buddha Pillowcase. After all, your room is your own personal temple, and you can fill it with things that inspire you or give you joy. Our trip, try changing little things in your decor every once in a while. Even minor changes can improve your mood. The last item is the Dragon's Blood Sage with wildflowers. And it says, wrapped in real flower petals, the Dragon's Blood Sage is here to help you combat stress and mental strain. Allow the earthy fragrance to fill the space you're in. If you even feel the faintest sign that life is getting overwhelming and stressful, light the sage stick and get to smudging your room. Okay everyone, so that was the end of my Mindful Souls September 2023 unboxing video. If all of you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more unboxing videos by me, subscribe down below. And as I said before, I will have the Mindful Souls link down below for you to save $10 off your subscription box. And I will see y'all next time. Bye everyone.